Alright, y'all, so my boy got down, JG hit me up. Told me he finna go to a car meet. I responded to my nigga, I was like, finna go to this goddamn car meet, and I'm sure what he working with today. Hey, that's enough for y'all, man. Man, we don't need the police coming out. So it's good to the vlog, gang.
What up, what up?
I'm gonna catch y'all when we get there. Alright, so as y'all can see, we just finally pulled up to the goddamn car meet, man. They got some nice cars ahead. I'm gonna be walking around showing y'all a lot of this car, man. So stay tuned, man. It's about to get real interesting. Look at them, we got some nice shit out here, man. We didn't even get to the nice stuff yet, actually. That's what.
Yeah, it's supposed to be bigger than that. But you got those, you know what I'm saying? Because what the rain stuff, they bring it up.
M3 over there?
Yeah.
Same shit.
Agree, right?
Give me. Gotta look bad.
Yeah, I must stay with pressure though.
God. Whoa. That's a trap hard. That's a trap hard. Trap hard, man. He need to come over here, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, don't race that nigga.
Nah, he need to come over here.
That nigga has no spring for that shit. That one has no spring. You got your shit lowered on there.
Nah, that trap hard really need to come over here though, like.
Damn, bitch, you see the bike? That shit, that's from a truck, my nigga. That's from a truck. Oh, look at that other Sentra. I could have parked next to the Sentra. Nah. Oh, in this mode, that's my dream car right there, buddy. I'll race that.
Hey, y'all. This is my first time at a little car meet, so it's gonna get real interesting. I'm gonna try to talk to y'all as much as I can. No cap. We got here like, I don't know, we probably got here like 2 hours late. But you know, as you can see, ain't not really happening like too much yet. We just seen a trap hot drop, man. That shit's pressure, boy. No cap. Got no hood on that motherfucker. No hood on that motherfucker. Trap hot. Oh yeah, I gotta get that on camera, boy. We're recording that.
Oh, that supercharger you mean?
Yeah, that supercharged, boy.
And wide body.
And the Hellcat, right behind the Hellcat.
Go ahead, black guy.
We gotta go over there. We gotta go look at that shit right now. We got to. The trap hot's fire, dude.
You gotta do this.
No, that's fire. Y'all ain't see that. Oh my god, that shit rap.
Ooh, that sparkles on
That's fire, boy. We gotta go check this out. We gotta go check this out. Hold on. This is fire. No cap. This is too fire.
This shit is too fire. I gotta record this motherfucker. This shit is nasty.
Yo. Y'all ain't never seen nothing rap like this.
Hurt my eyeballs right now.
Y'all ain't never seen nothing rap like this.
I might have to fight them after.
Oh my god.
That shit, oh god, that shit.
This is too hard, bro.
Exactly.
This is way too hard, bro. Okay. Like, whose car is this? Let's go to the trap though. Oh, that cat, that's the best car I've seen out here so far. Okay. Y'all don't even know what's the best car y'all seen out here. Ain't no way somebody bought this car out here. You know how to get that on camera, because who pulled up in that? Just, who pulled up in that?
Oh, no. Yeah, I raced him. 100. Oh, God, I raced him. Yeah.
No.
It look like a sleeper.
You know what that is?
It is a sleeper. Was it 300? Yeah. Nah, it's SRT8.
You know what that is? You don't know what
That's
that
only
is.
pushing about 3 though.
No,
That's
you
an SRT. It's a bunch of SRTs.
You don't know what that is.
What? There's an SRT.
That's gonna smoke your shit.
That's an SRT8.
This.
No, bitch.
This.
Whoever owned this car, get over me. That shit got a scat.
Yeah. It's almost like what's that one shit called? The Chrysler Hellcat, something like that. You don't know what that is. I'm trying to look at the trap hot. I'm trying to look at the trap hot.
Different color to you?
Oh no, it's like this car is too hard. Man. Where's the owner at? You watch the video? That's a WS car. Oh my god. Check it out. That's fire.
That bitch.
Yeah, that's a built in right there.
This shit nice too.
This? hard, boy.
That shit pressure though. See, I wish I had money for the on God.
Oh God. Nah, for real though. If y'all like really like support a nigga, like subscribe, like subscribe, tap in, like the video. We might get us one of these one day. That's really. I gotta. My dream car is one of these, bro. For real. Like a hellcat, trap hawk, something like that, bro. Like these shits are just so sexy to me, but like too sexy. Like look at this trap hawk. This shit fire. Ain't gonna hold you. Trap hawk, yeah, this shit fire as hell, boy. Whatever part it is, yeah, WS car. Then we got this shit right here with no hood on it. Easy slides, sweatpants, Nike Nights hanging out. Yeah. I'm trying to get like them though. Okay, just top one out here so far. Top one, like the rap is just like, yeah, so far. Check it out, check it out. I didn't really see it, but man, definitely got some power if you got the hood up like that. Everybody ain't got that hood up. Everybody don't got that hood up. Y'all can hear me. Look at this goddamn child, man. Look out, look. This shit right here. This McLaren is hard. Can't even see, but this shit hard. Look at it. Like, y'all can't hear me because this shit keep revving up. Let's see who's making all the noise since I can't even talk, man.
What happened with the barrel?
That shit hurt my goddamn ears, boy. Nah, that shit fire. That shit sound good. What y'all think about it, man? That shit sound great.
Where that Mustang go?
Nah, y'all can see it's some pretty nice cars out here, for real. Like, pretty nice. We got pretty nice variety of cars. It's definitely a WS car meet. For sure. RT Challenger. The van? Nah, it's not the van. Oh wait, it is the van. What the fuck? Whoa, we gotta go follow that van, cuz. Oh wait, it is the van, but that van got turbo in that bitch. Hold up. We gotta come over here, but come on, follow, come on, bro. That ain't no goddamn way, boy. It ain't no way this van is sounding like this van got fucking supercharged in this motherfucker. The fuck? What you buy those vans at, bro? Nigga, van has a supercharge in that motherfucker. It sounds good. We gotta go back to that McLaren, boy. That shit's so sexy.
I don't even know. It's right there, actually.
McLaren, oh my. Hold up, bro. Hold up. Check it out. Y'all never seen a McLaren in y'all life. In your life.
McLaren tough, bro.
And it's gray and black. It's a black interior. Alright, so my boy said his trap hawk is stock. But I still want to hit a wine on this motherfucker though. I still want to hit a wine on it. You gotta hear it. Because it's a trap hawk. It's good. Just because it's a trap hawk, man. You know we love the trap hawk. Popping the hood for y'all, man. He popping the hood. He popping the hood for y'all, man. It's stock, but it's a trap hawk. Y'all see that motherfucker, man. I know y'all see that. gotta get the car. That's what's up, my man. I told him let me hear that bitch one. He let me hear that bitch one. Yeah. Fine.
Appreciate you.
For sure. For sure. Supercharged Hemi, man. Like, I really want to, like, in life, I want to try. I just like how that bitch runs. I just like how that bitch runs. The supercharged, that motherfucker. We're gonna look at the vet for a second too. About to check out the vet for y'all. Got the tin of that motherfucker, y'all can't even see, but feel me? Check out the wheels. It's just fire. It's dark, but yeah, that's fire. I ain't gonna get the plate, man.
Big ass. You don't walk.
Yeah. 392. Challenge. We'll come over to this goddamn Stain 5.0, man. Yeah. Come over here to this goddamn motherfucker right here. Blue shit. All these cars fire, man. Then we got my boy Dante shit, man. Out here smoking people shit. Got a motorcycle. No. Come back to another red, you know. Plain Jane. It ain't fucking with the other bed over there though. What else? I don't feel like walking way over there. We already been over there earlier. But yeah, that's a lot of nice cars out here.
Is that not the same hood? The same hood? I had this same exact car, bro. 2026. Bro, what? That's a 22. That's a 22. Stop. Let me go back. 2020. Let me find a 22 for you. 22. Literally, she's a bitch right there.
Y'all think this shit right out or what?
So what's this? Now what?
They're gonna goddamn police, man. Ready to shut the shit down.
Yo, girl. It's a red eye. Bro, that's a stock hellcat. Ain't no way, bro.
Y'all get on the highway and start racing.
Which one?
Who? Either one of them. All of them.
All of them.
Yeah. And we fire y'all, we gonna stop y'all and play y'all car.
No, you not, is you?
Yeah.
Not season.
Especially not that radar.
You trying to ride in my throat. That's what you trying to do.
You got to stop.
I ain't got nothing.
You got a red eye. Well, they're gonna be doing shit at the practice track.
Y'all good. Now, this is city drift, so we gotta keep it out. Y'all, I just wanna let y'all know.
Y'all don't get along, do y'all? Cause they don't get along here.
Nah, I trade in the city. Nah, I like the city.
Said if you stop them, you gonna do what? Toe?
That is a stock hellcat.
You're screaming. Go ahead and rev it one time. I want to hear the first one.
You want to hear him ready? You can put his lights on.
Tell him to run it.
Tell them to do it.
I mean, it's needed. This catch me needed this point.
They still gonna race.
It's not. I think that's the paint personally.
Come on.
Can't you see on the screen? I just know what. That's the fucking. I just know what the. Hands up. Hands up. It's a red eye.
Just run hands up.
It's a stock cat. It's a stock 717 cat. Stock 7.
Okay, give him. Okay, let him get the hit.
It's a 21.
Not a full car in the hit. The hit.
Yeah, 717.
That's what they use.
All right, so do this. Let him get the hit. Don't give him
Why you say
a
that?
car in the hit. Give him the hit.
Against who? Another
So when he hit the gas, you let him hit the gas first, then you go. Don't give him no car.
It's half.
That's a difference, though. That's a difference.
That is half a car. The hit.
No, it's half a car.
Nah, that's robbery.
Oh my god.
I personally don't think so. He beat the fuck out of Love.
Okay, just because you beat one person doesn't mean you're gonna beat the next car.
Since he beat the shit out of Lil. So why the fuck am I gonna gamble my $100 to lose? Bro, 2-3 cars on him, bro. Every gear he pulled, he was pulling the door link. Ain't no way the fuck.
Every year. He got 10 of them.
Police right there, so y'all know.
10 of them hoes.
Police.
It's a red eye. Alright, if it's a red eye, it had a red eye on the seat, would it not? Yes or no? Yes or no?
I don't know. Tim car ain't had that shit.
Oh, we get it, bro. I can tell you. You see the red eye.
What kind of hellcat you got?
This shit is so aerodynamic, nigga. Like, look at this shit.
That Mustang, you don't like it? I like that. I like that. I don't know why the Mustang being scary though, because that Mustang I seen on his Instagram, he beat Hellcat Red Eyes.
Which Mustang?
That one that 2x2 Dylan motherfucker.
They need to make a red eye truck car. That shit would be nasty.
That's a goddamn red.
It's a red eye, bro. I promise you. It's a red eye, for sure.
It's a red eye.
It's a red eye, nigga. I know it's a red eye.
It's a red eye, boy.
Oh no, that's old. It's not a red eye, that's a paint.
Nigga, that's a red eye. I know, it's a red eye.
No, there's a pool in there.
There's a red eye. Nigga, that's the that's some
That's a red eye. Is that right?
He won't pop the hood. He won't pop the hood.
That's some up bad.
Nah, it ain't in the back. It ain't in the back.
You could obviously just paint the spoiler.
Yeah, facts.
What is inside?
It comes stock black.
I don't know.
That's a red eye run the street up, bro. That shit is so red.
Yeah, exactly.
He won't open the hood.
Pop the hood.
He won't. He won't.
Pop the hood.
He won't pop the hood, but he won't out.
It's a red eye. Shit is red.
Shit's red.
Literally got a red jewel.
Let me see. Put a light up. Put a light up here. Put a light up here.
That's a red eye.
Red eye.
Y'all see that little gem?
You see that? That's a fucking red eye.
Y'all see that gem?
Yeah.
He said it's a stock 77. 770.
That look just like him.
Red eye.